Hello, friends. Welcome to Crypto Bulls Club. My name is Soham, and guys, at this point of time, the Bitcoin price is currently trading at around the 43,680, approximately $43,700. It's down considerably in the month of April, as you can see right here. This month has started out on a red candle, right, guys? But what I want to highlight here is more of a macro picture for Bitcoin and why the level of 44,000 or 43,800 is the most significant level for Bitcoin on the monthly time frame, guys. Yes, we are going to discuss the monthly macro picture and why I feel that May is the time when Bitcoin can actually go and reach at least $55,000, and in the following months we could actually see new all-time highs coming into the picture. So the first indicator that I want to plot today is called the Fibonacci. On the Fibonacci, what we can see is that Bitcoin actually went above this 38.2, which is $43,834. Yes, guys, 43,834 is the 38.2% Fibonacci on the monthly time frame. Yes, this is the monthly time frame macro picture we are looking at, and as you can see, the past month we had a long lower shadow and we went past it. Now what we are doing is we are coming down and treating it as a support. Now if we are able to hold 43,834 on the monthly closure is still about 24 days from the time of recording this video, and if we are able to hold this 43,834 on the monthly time frame, I strongly believe that the next Fibonacci level of 53,450 is definitely on the cards, and it's on the cards in the coming month itself. It could be very well be the case that we could actually see that in this month itself, while treating this as support, we go up and test these higher levels as well. But if we do not do that, if even if we close somewhere around 43,800 or 43 900 or 44,000 for that matter, then also it will be bullish for the Bitcoin price, because of the simple reason that we are going above a resistance, coming down, treating it as a support, and then we will be bouncing up. Now, one more thing that I want to highlight right here is the RSI. Now, the RSI is the most significant indicator that I generally use. It tells us the move, the strength of a particular move. What we can see on the RSI right here is basically we are forming a kind of a double bottom, guys. Yes, we are forming kind of a double bottom right here, and if we come down and close this month on a red on a red candlestick, this will form a double bottom on the RSI on the monthly time frame, which is hugely bullish, guys. Along with this indicator, if you combine this RSI as well, this is hugely bullish, and I strongly believe that this could actually be the beginning of the biggest move of 2022. Yes, guys, biggest move of 2022 could be on the cards for the Bitcoin price based on this indicator, the Fibonacci, and the RSI. What we can also see right here is if we plot the MACD, guys. On the MACD, what we are seeing is we are closing, crossing down. But if we go to the weekly time frame on the MACD, what we are seeing right here is that the MACD went to historical lows back on the week of March of 14th, right, guys? It's been to the lows where it has never been to. Okay, but now on the weekly we have got a cross up. Okay, if I zoom into it, you will be able to see it more clearly. As you can see, we have got a cross up, and we can actually see the Bitcoin price moving up as well along with this MACD. This is also a very good indicator for our trading part as well. But what is the resistance part? What is the resistance that we are looking at? Now if we go to the 5-day chart, guys, this is extremely critical. We have been covering the 5-day chart ever since the crash of May 2021, right? And we understood that the 5-day chart is extremely critical, and on the 5-day, what we like to look at is the Gaussian channel, guys. On the Gaussian channel, what we are seeing is we have fallen through the Gaussian channel back in January of 2022, right? We saw we went past this, we made lows of about $37,000 or $34,000 as well. And then again in February we made another low of about $34,000. So basically, whenever we are getting this testing this lower half of the Gaussian channel, it has proven to be a good buying opportunity, and we have been buying into these trades quite often, right? For me personally, I had bought Bitcoin back at $35,000 or $34,000 approximately last time. And even if Bitcoin is at around 43, $44,000, I'm still looking at some good profits. Obviously, I booked some profits at this median line. What is this median line on the Gaussian channel? This is currently at $47,550, right, guys? As you can see right here, $47,500 approximately. I sold it at around this level itself, right? At around this level of 47,500, 47,400. But what I want to highlight to you, the significance of the Gaussian channel on the 5-day chart is that whenever we have entered the Gaussian channel, we have stayed there for approximately a year. History tells us that, where we have discussed this in the past as well, that approximately a year time is spent within the Gaussian channel, and anytime we are below the Gaussian channel, it has proven to be a great buying opportunity. Now, what is the current resistance? The current resistance is coming in at 47,500, simply because it is the median point of the 5-day Gaussian channel chart, right? And of course, it is also coinciding with the 200-day simple moving average as well, which is also very critical. Now, for us, what we are looking at is, we tried breaking above it. As you can see very clearly, we tried breaking above it two times, right? Two back-to-back candles, 27th March and of course the 1st of April as well. Remember, this is the 5-day chart, and today we have just started printing this candle. Will we go ahead and test one more time? I do not know. It may very well be the case, but we are testing it and we are getting rejected. That, what does that mean? That means a test of the lower half might be possible. Might be possible. What is the lower half coming in at? Currently the lower half is at $38,830. Okay, so it might very well be the case that we may come down and test this lower half of the Gaussian channel again. If we go below it, I am going to buy more and more into Bitcoin currently. But there's one more thing which is very critical, and I'm a bit concerned about that, is the beginning of this red zone right here. As you can see, on the week starting 27th of March, we started getting into this red zone on the Gaussian channel. And if we look left on the chart, you will be able to see very clearly that whenever we have entered this red zone, this has stayed for at least about 4 or 5 months. Back in 2020, we entered in March, and we were there till July. If we go back further, we'll see that in 2018 we entered in July, and we left it in 20 in June of 2019. Almost a year's time we spent in the red zone. Now it is very significant that we get above this level, right, guys? 47,500 is the most critical level right now. If we get a 5-day candle closing over it, my next price target is $56,100, guys. 56,100 to 56,200 is something that I will be looking at. But for now, I do not have any trades open. I took my trades. I booked some profit at 47,000. Around the $47,500 mark. I think it was around 47,300 or $400. The simple reason is because of this Gaussian channel midpoint, and I am treating it as an excellent trading opportunity. Currently, I do not have any shorts open as well. So, guys, this is extremely important for the Bitcoin price, and as you know, with Bitcoin, the sentiments of the other crypto space is also linked very closely. And likewise, I do not have any other trades open. So these are some of the charts that I am looking at. Apart from that, if we go back to the weekly, why the $44,000 is also critical? Couple of reasons. The center point of the midpoint of the Gaussian channel is at around 44,159, which is extremely critical, and it is also the 20-week simple moving average approximately, right? Approximately 44,000, 43,800, or 44,000 is the most critical level for the Bitcoin price on this week, right, guys? If we have come down, we broke up the 20-week. As you can see right here, we broke over the 20-week on 21st of March. Then we came down, tested it as a support, got good bounce, got good buying pressure, and closed the week at about $46,400. This week itself, we are currently below the 20-week simple moving average. But if we go above, if we get some buying pressure, And if we close the week above 20, for the 20 week, which is $43,800, I will be, very, very much bullish, because we break above it, we come down, treat it as a support, like how we did here. We broke above it, came down, treated it as a support, right, guys? And I don't know why this candle of 4th of April 2022 looks to me very similar to this 20th September 2021 candle. I do not know. It could be, it could be my intuition, but I believe that something big is gearing up for the Bitcoin price in the later half of April, or for that matter in May as well. But if you want to stay up to date or to all of this, I strongly recommend you follow us on Twitter, because Twitter is the place where we keep you up to date from all the real time happenings. This is something that we posted about, about 12 13 hours back on our Twitter handle, and we had clearly explained that this is my price target. Now I have told you why this is my price target, and why this 43,800 needs to hold. So if you like this kind of Bitcoin analysis, stay tuned to our channel, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to join us on our social medias like Twitter, Instagram, and Telegram. Links for each one of them is given in the description below. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.